Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find deals on the Postmates app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find deals on the Postmates app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Postmates app. Next, go ahead and click on offers on the middle hand side, and this is going to filter all the restaurant options which have different offers and deals available to you. For example, you can see that there's a buy one get one, there's a buy one get a free item, buy one get one, and free item on $25 or more. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find deals on the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.